What is going on, guys? Welcome to next week's gold forecast. Before we jump in, if you could please like the video and subscribe to the channel, I would appreciate that a lot. So what have we got? We have got a break of structure on gold on the monthly time frame. Look here. Gold has closing above the previous high, which means we have new price action structure points. We've got the new monthly low here and the new monthly high. So what we're going to expect going into next month, guys, we're going to expect a retracement and we're going to expect continuations to the upside while we are bullish inside this monthly impulse leg. So before we jump down, we'll just mark up the monthly high and low. That is our monthly trading range here. Candlestick high and low. And then what have we got? Let me move these alarms out of the way here. I was trying to delete them, but it's not letting me delete them for some reason. Okay, so what have we got here? We've got the monthly bullish and we've got the weekly bullish. You see here, impulse, retracement, breakout, continuation. And the weekly is also bullish here again, because this weekly low broke this previous weekly high. So we can mark up our weekly high and low here. Let's make that line a bit shorter. And our monthly and weekly high there. So this is our weekly trading range going into next week. So what am I going to expect looking at this? What is the highest probable thing to happen when a new candlestick opens this close, especially the weekly candlesticks, to the previous weekly high? We've got liquidity there. So I'm going to expect price to push up here quickly. I'm going to expect price to push up at the beginning of the week, take liquidity, and then start to retrace somewhere into this zone. But we're going to have to go down to the lower time frames to have it up. But this is what I'm expecting. Higher probable scenario here at the beginning of next week. Price could just continue and go straight up here. But normally if that happens at the beginning of a candle, if we start pushing up like that, you know, chances are she's going to pull back towards the end of the week. But I want to see lower time frame confirmation, liquidity here, taken, beginning of the week, lower time confirmation. And we can even look to take sells if the confirmation is good enough. If not, I will just wait until price gets in ideal zones for buys, and then we'll just look to buy and buy and buy. So we'll mark out our weekly candlestick low, previous weekly low. So those are our PRZ zones, our higher probable PRZ zones going into next week. We want to look to take entries from here, either, you know, continuations if we get it on the lower time frame, or if we get fake outs, we can look to take sells. And the same, you know, when we get down to this level, if we fake this level, confirmation in, I'm going to use that lower time frame confirmation, you know, to look to buy back up through that weekly range. If we go on the daily here, what can we see? The daily is pretty much sharing the same price action as the weekly. You can see here, look, impulse, retracement, failed high, price pulled back, and then we had the continuation to the upside and we broken structure again. So yeah, the daily low, the daily is sharing the same high and low, price action low as the weekly time frame here. So this is our weekly and daily trading range. So again, on the daily, you know, what do I want to see? It's the same on the weekly. You know, I want to see that if we get a daily candle close above at the beginning of the week, I will anticipate buying up. But as soon as we get a daily candle close back in this range here, I'm going to anticipate sells, you know, down to fill this imbalance and then look for continuations. And the same at the bottom here. You know, if we fake this low, going to look to buy up. If we go to the 4 hour, what are we again? 4 hour. Okay. Bullish on the 4 hour, of course. All right, let's just close these up a little bit here. Close up these lines. There we go. So 4 hour. If we're looking at the swing low, again, you know, the 4 hour is sharing the same low. If we want to refine it, you know, we can look at the 4 hour low, you know, around here, around this zone. But there's no imbalance here. So, you know, if we do get a fake out here, 4 hour, you know, candlestick fails to close above, and then I'll look for lower time from confirmation. And only if we have A plus confirmation, I'll take sells. Because when gold is this bullish, you know, it sells a lot of the time. You get so many fake moves and you just get smashed and smashed and smashed. So it's better just waiting for the pullback. When you get the pullback, see support made, and just take the buy from there. Much higher probable. Go on the 1 hour. Oh, we open up price a little bit more. So this is a nice zone, actually, on the 1 hour look. Very nice zone. And this is sitting right on the 4-hour low. So if we fake this high, there's a buy zone here. So we can look to take buys from here for continuations. If this zone fails, this one, I'm going to look for this zone here to get mitigated down here. This is very nice because this is sitting right on the 4-hour low. So getting an entry in here, we can cover the 4-hour demand zone and we can look to trade up. Stop loss position in here is obviously super nice. And we get a bigger range to trade up to, anticipating, that higher time frame pullback and continuation. So let's quickly recap what we're looking for. We're looking for liquidity to be taken at the beginning of the week. If that happens, fake out confirmation, we're going to expect sells. But I'm not going to take the sells, let it say plus, and we'll only be looking to sell into this range here, of which I'll be looking for buys. If it's not a plus, I won't take it. I'll just wait for the retracement down here. We'll take buys here, continuations up. If this zone fails, we'll wait for price to come down to this next zone. Here, boom. And then we'll look to take buys up through there. If, we get break and retest confirmation straight up at the beginning of the week, I'll still take it. We've got to be careful, remember, because when we're pushing into no man's land, we've got nothing on the left-hand side to look at in regards to, where price might go next. Like if we pull back here, we know that we've got this trading range here, and we've got a 70-75% chance that this high is going to be retested when you're playing with price action. But when you're trading the breakout here, you have no idea, where price is going to be going next. And at least if we got a fake out, we can still gauge where price is potentially going if it's going to sell. This zone here, imbalance, and then continuation. So we're taking buys next week. If we do get buy confirmation, I will take. We're going to use a tight stop, get in, and just look for 1 to 2s. 1 to 2s, 1 to 2s, 1 to 2s. That's all I'm going to look for. Quick in, quick out, and that's it. But as you say, my ideal zones are here and here for buys going into next week. So that's it, guys, for the gold forecast for next week. If you haven't liked or subscribed to the video, like the video or subscribe, please do. I appreciate it a lot. And if you've got any questions on this, post it in the comments as well. And I quickly want to show you the Discord, guys, because Funded Lab 2.0 is coming soon. If you've got any doubts about the service, the business, the results, the track record, you can come over to the Discord. It's free, blackswanfx.com. Click the button to join the free Discord. Come here, results section. You've got over 12 months here. There's hundreds and hundreds of members, that have been passed, funded, and paid out. Funded Lab 2.0 is the new Funded Lab that incorporates all of the market changes, the different platform changes and stuff like this in the prop firm space. So we can continue as normal, actually bigger and better than ever, because the new system I'm building is crazy compared to the old system. So you're going to access the new system, the new results, the new system, the new community, all the new updates, obviously live trading every day, live support every day. And, we've also got the companions. So these are exactly what they say on the tin. They are day trading companions, swing companions. These are built from proven manual trading strategies. So you can put them on the chart, you can look, high probable entries, take 1 to 2 trades per day. You can use it on personal, funds. You can also use it on prop firms. Videos of them are on the website where I break them down in more depth. What else have we got in here? The Funded Lab Futures. So this is new at the moment, got 50% discount. Funded Lab Futures is basically taking the Funded Lab concept and taking it into the future space. So we are building up the community at the moment. It's not fully finished, hence the 50% discount. But this group, again, aims to automate the process of passing futures and getting paid out, just like we've done in the Funded Lab for, a very long time. We'll take the same concepts and move them over there. So that's it, guys. If you've got any questions, post them on the in the comments below, or Ben Alistair FX on Instagram, or shoot them on a live chat. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday. Thanks for watching, and bosh.